Hey guys, how you doing today? I want you to take a look at, this is my beautiful Melanochrysum. I got this plant from a friend she sent this summer. It was, I don't know, maybe about this big. And then she's grown all this. But I think she needs to be repotted. I've got spag on the top of her that is looking really nasty. It needs to be thrown away. But she was just a baby when I got it. I want to see what her root system looks like. I can see some roots coming out of the bottom. So I have another pot ready here for her. I just watered her, I think it was yesterday. So I want to I can see roots coming down off of this plant. So what I'd like to do is get her into a bigger container. I'm leaving my stake on, and I'm just going to squeeze the pot, slide her out carefully. Oh yeah, wow, look at that root system. That's great. See all her roots? The soil smells good, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to knock off some of the top. What I'd like to do, since she's got some roots coming out right here, I want to try to plant her a little deeper in the pot. I'm going to scoop this all up over. This soil I will be all throwing away. And I'm going to be putting her into this here pot. So I'm going to add some soil. Shoot, I forgot to get my, and she was growing in my grow tent. I want to see. Yeah, that should be about right, because I want to bring the soil up to about right here. So that will be perfect. And for now, the stake it's going to work fine. It's going to fill in the soil around here. But like I was saying, I have had her in my grow tent ever since she was outside. And then all winter, she has been in my grow tent. So now I'm going to keep her out of my grow tent. I'm trying to get some of the plants that I have in there out, because I'm going to be starting my outdoor seeds soon. So I need to make room. This little girl needs to learn how to grow outside of the grow tent, because that is not something I'm going to be running all summer long. I like to see my plants out, not in a grow tent all the time, and I think she's going to do well I'm going to put her in a southern window right beside the humidifier, and she's going to be about 3 feet from my southern window, so she should do really well. Okay, I had to go grab my worm castings because I forgot them. I'm going to finish, I just sprinkled some around there. I'm just going to finish. You can see how much higher I'm putting her in the pot. She'll get more roots out of these bottom nodes, and she'll root in really, really well from that depth. I want her to be a really nice, strong plant. This is the third Melanochrysum that I've had, and I've killed all of them except for this one so far. Ugh, knock on wood. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of moss, spag moss, around the edges here. That's all I'm going to do, besides water her in. I I need to find my drip tray. Okay, I got my drip tray for this pot. And I'm not gonna soak her because she was, like I said, I just watered her a couple of days ago. She was pretty wet, but I want to get the fresh fertilizer that I just put in down there on her so she can soak that up. I guess that's okay the way it is. Tighten that up just a little bit. So there we go. Now, like I said, I have been growing her in my grow tent, but I've had her all the way down on the floor of my grow tent, so she's getting medium light. And when I move her over where I'm going to put her, she's also going to be, actually in a little bit brighter light. But that's okay, I'll keep an eye on her. I want her sitting right beside my humidifier. These plants get spider mites really easy, so I want to be very careful about that. I'm going to go ahead and put another Velcro strip on her right here. This is a little bit too long, but that's okay. I love these because you can use them over and over and over again. But like I said, so far she's doing really well, and I don't want to jinx that. So, but she does need to learn to grow and be happy outside that grow tent. We got summer coming. The temps are warming up finally around here anyways. The last couple days we've been hitting almost 50. Sun shining beautifully. And even if the sun isn't out over here, I have LED grow lights in that window also. I turn them on when the sun's not shining. So I think she will do pretty good. I do keep her on a monthly regimen of neem oil spray to keep the spider mites at bay. And so far it's been working. So I pretty much do that with all my plants. So, and it works. It helps. So lots of humidity, medium light, and I let mine dry down about halfway. Now this pot will last a lot longer as far as the water, so that'll be good. But I let her dry down about halfway. I've got a lot of perlite in her soil mixture, so she's got a lot of nice airy soil to grow into. She's not getting smothered. So, alright guys, that's about it, and I am going to let you go, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye. Peace.